Imagine adding an electric wheel to your bike. Travel 20 to 50 miles on a single charge. Pedal when you want, sit back when you don't. Hill, no sweat.
It's 500 watts of power available at the press of a lever. Easy to install and intuitive to operate. Designed in Cambridge, Massachusetts and built in New England.
2 years ago, I was watching Tron. Thinking about all that empty space inside the orbital wheel really kept me up at night. Why don't we put a motor? Why don't we put a battery in that space? I managed to make a mini prototype, but I basically have 2 left thumbs and a limited knowledge of engineering.
18 months ago, I was working as a propulsion development engineer at SpaceX when I met Mike and saw the geo-orbital wheel prototype. I loved the concept and wanted to help make it a reality. Since then, we've created 5 generations of prototypes, given hundreds of test rides and logged thousands of miles. From all that user feedback, we've integrated all sorts of features into the wheel. Installation takes only 60 seconds and requires no tools. The battery is easily removable. Even the tires are made of high-density foam. They ride just like a normal tire, but they'll never go flat. The motor will take you 0 to 20 miles an hour in 6 seconds. The feature set goes on, and we've only just got rolling.
For many years, I worked, driven, and rode electric vehicles, first at Ford and then for a bike store in Boulder. I first saw the geo-orbital wheel, I was hooked. We've got this advanced design, sleek aluminium frame, and simple operation. You just pop on the wheel, clip on the throttle, and go. It's bloody brilliant.
Wouldn't it be great if you could use your bike whenever you wanted to, without sweating? All the engineering is done. We got a great product, we got a great team, but we need your help. We really want to keep these built in the United States, but we need to order a batch large enough to keep the cost down. Please support our project in any way that you can.
What if getting places wasn't the painful and time-consuming ordeal it often turns out to be? What if you could get door-to-door in a quick and effortless fashion? And what if you could even enjoy the commute? Introducing Ampler. Ampler is a smart electric bicycle for the modern commuter. It makes personal transport effortless, cheap, and fast. Ampler's electric assistance takes you further without breaking a sweat, while giving you all the freedom and fun of a regular bicycle. Riding Ampler is hassle-free. You simply cycle. It's effortless. The electric assistance makes pedaling lighter, giving you superpowers and a smile. You can easily pick it up and place it where you need it. Because of clever materials and technology, we've made the bike 35% lighter than the average electric bike. It makes pedaling so easy, even hills become flat. You can bike for 70 kilometers on one charge, and if you need to go even further, it works just like a conventional bicycle, and you simply pedal on. By regulating how hard you pedal, you control the extra oomph. This means you will always have control over the bike. The minimalist looks hold all premium components. We've also made it super affordable by cutting off the distributor network and getting the bike directly to you. All of us in the founding team have been looking for an effortless way to get door-to-door without breaking a sweat. Being avid cyclists, we saw that the only way to introduce an accessible, high-quality, and great-looking electric bike into the world was to build it ourselves. By using premium parts and fitting the battery into the frame, we've come up with a great-looking and lightweight commuter bike that's tons of fun to ride with. All of our bikes are hand-assembled in Europe, and thanks to an already established supply chain, they will be delivered on time.
Blaze began right here on Kickstarter 3 years ago. Back then we launched what is now the world-famous Laser Light, the safest bike light on the road. Now, not only shipping to 52 countries, but our innovative tech has recently been built into a trial of Santander Cycles here in London. It's been an incredible journey. Thank you to our amazing community for getting us this far. Our backers are a huge part of our culture, providing critical feedback and becoming real friends of the Blaze team. So we're coming back to you here with the first look at our very next product, the burner. With the same obsessive attention to detail and the result of 3 years development, we worked really hard to make you something as simple and elegant as riding your bike. We started with performance and safety. We wanted the best light output for the best all-round visibility. It is so bright, an impressive 100 lumen, providing an unmatched spread of red light, ensuring you'll be seen from every angle, not from one retina-searing LED blinding the guy on your back wheel, but from a bank of 27. The bracket is a thing of beauty. It allows fail adjustment and has a highly localized magnetic attachment, providing heroic hold for the most adventurous rider, yet easy removal. Snap in, snap out, either horizontal or vertical, without even looking. Keeping things simple, it's got a light sensor. Riding either manual or auto, the light comes on as soon as it gets dark. You haven't got to stop and faff or wonder if your backlight is on. The light has many more subtle features. It is fully waterproof, IP7 certified, which means it can get really, really wet. It has a simple magnetic USB charge with the same kick-ass battery that will last a month under normal use. We know what we're doing this time. It's been a lot to learn, but we now have our suppliers, manufacturing, fulfillment and support. 3 years ago there was only 2 of us, and there's now a few more. We believe we thought of everything with this light, yet obsessed to keep things simple. It's a no-fuss, beautifully elegant backlight for every cyclist. Every rider needs lights they can trust. They're essential, but good lights are immeasurably safer than lousy ones. We've come back onto Kickstarter to give our community the first look at our next product, to receive it at a lower price than retail, and critically, to feed back into its final product features. We're on a mission to get the very best lights on bikes everywhere, to make more people safe, to get more people cycling. Come join our ride, blaze a trail.
At Noki, we thought the lock industry could use a little shaking up, so we created the Noki Padlock, the world's first smart padlock. Noki has won numerous awards and has been recognized as a game-changing innovation. However, some people need an extra level of protection, so we created the Noki U-Lock. Incorporating all the cutting-edge technology used in the original Noki into a practically indestructible hardened steel body, the Noki U-Lock will protect your bicycle or motorbike in the toughest environments, while also giving you easy access using only your smartphone. Available with an app for iOS, Android, and Windows phones, the Noki U-Lock uses wireless Bluetooth technology. When clicked, it automatically looks for a phone with a compatible key and unlocks. You don't even need to remove your phone from your pocket or purse. Just click and go. No more worrying about lost keys or forgotten combinations. Sharing your bike with others is easy. With just a couple taps, you can quickly and securely share your bike with your friends. Even better, you can revoke access automatically without needing to track down keys. The Noki U-Lock incorporates a long-life rechargeable battery that will last several years between charges. But we wanted the Noki U-Lock to do even more, so we added an alarm. After locking Noki, hold down the button to arm the alarm function. If someone tampers with your Noki for more than 3 seconds, a loud alarm will shriek for 30 seconds, drawing attention and likely scaring off the intruder. The alarm function resets every time you open Noki. The history function in the app shows you who, when, and where Noki was used. What if your phone dies or is lost? Not a problem. Just key in your custom quick-click code. This ensures that you'll never be left stranded. In the unlikely event that you ignore the warning in the app and let your battery die, you can always give Noki a jumpstart with an external battery. Finally, maybe you don't have a smartphone or prefer to bike without it.
we've got you covered. Just add the optional key fob to your order and you'll be able to access Noki with or without your smartphone. No key, no problem.
Do you remember the first time you rode a bike? The places you would go on your new wheels? But fast forward a few years, and somewhere between your first date, traffic jams, and global warming, bikes just don't feel the same anymore.
This is Flux Electric Bike.
We started Flux because we found one of the ultimate joys of our childhood. At times just felt like a grind. We're on a mission to put the fun back into cycling and more happy riders onto cycles. Flux is simple, just turn it on and go. In pedal assist mode, Flux is exactly like riding a normal bike, just easier and faster. Don't want to pedal? You don't have to. Just push the throttle and you'll speed through the city with no effort at all. The location of the motor is a key factor in making this bike so special. Unlike most electric bikes on the market, which have their motor in the hub, ours is located in between the pedals. This takes mechanical advantage of the bike's Shimano 9-speed gears, meaning you can climb hills easier and hit top speeds quicker. Couple this efficient drivetrain with an industry-crushing 17 amp-hour lithium battery, and you can flux for 46 miles on full power. The battery has a key lock for security and can be removed in a second. Take it with you and recharge wherever you want. It even features a USB port, so you can charge all of your devices on the go. By harnessing advanced technology and elegant design, Flux bikes are your wheels for the modern world, giving you the power to zip past traffic, explore further and climb higher than ever before.
We've put these bikes through their paces on the most challenging courses we could find. They're battle-tested and designed to take a beating. Stay in control with powerful hydraulic disc brakes and Suntour suspension. When you get to the bottom, you can just power back up in record time, ready to go again and again.
We've got 3 exciting models ready for production. We need your help to build critical mass and bring the cost of production down. With your backing and our expertise, we're going to bring you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever.
So stop wasting money on gas, leave the car in the garage, and come Flux with us to a more sustainable future. Happy riding, guys. Thanks for watching.